Good afternoon, and I'm Hokyung Kim. I'm standing here again. I'm leading Samsung Platform Evangelist team. And did you enjoy your lunch? I really enjoy this Indian food. I really like it. So up to now, pardon?
Delicious.
Yes, delicious. Yes. Up to now, we've introduced some main features of the bada 2.0 SDK features. And we've also introduced some nice UX improvement and services you can meet through the bada 2.0 devices. And we have a very important session that introduces all the marketing activities that happens to make your application more appealing to the users through the Samsung apps. Now, I'd like to briefly introduce the bada developer program. And this is always prepared for you to support you while you're developing the bada applications. So I'd like to briefly start with introducing the bada evangelist. And we are the people who make a plan and execute all the activities that support you and encourage the developers to make bada applications. So we are doing all activities to increase the awareness of the bada platform. And we also make many development tips or the education material to educate people in the educate mobile developers worldwide. Also, we also participate in many major conferences and seminars to educate people how to develop an application based on bada platform. We also make this kind of event, like a bada developer day, to directly meet you developers and encourage you to make the bada applications. So we evangelists is the people who are ready. We are here for you to support and find all the available method to support you. So Samsung now has a global evangelist network over the world in 7 countries. Of course, in India, we have a wonderful evangelist team here. And Korea, USA, Poland, and Ukraine, and so on. And for the other countries, we are closely collaborating with a Samsung local branch to support the developers in their countries. And first, our main activities can be divided into two parts, like online technical support and offline technical support. I'd like to briefly introduce the online technical support first. So, the developer.bada.com. This is a site where you can find all the information that is needed for developing the bada application. You can download the SDK here and find the useful programming guides or developing tips and all the news about the bada events like a bada developer day here. So this site main view has well organized categories here, sections here. So the first section is for the beginning with bada. This is prepared for the developers who just started developing bada applications. And the platform highlights show the single view about the bada platform itself. And third section is for the developers who already have experience in developing other mobile platforms like iOS, Android, or Symbian. So please check these sections if you have any experience on developing on other mobile platform. And we also provided some banner here, so that gives a direct link to another closely related sites, like a Samsung Apps seller site. So you have to visit there to sell your application. And also, I'd like to mention the developer.samsung.com, which is a Samsung developer site, which is kind of a hub site that gives you all the information that is related to the platform that the Samsung devices are using, like Android, and of course, bada, and J2ME, and Windows Mobile. In addition to that, we also provide, you can find the information on DTV, of course. So please tap this site again. And we also have a My Application menu there. This is for setting your application profile to develop your bada application. And now let's take a look more detail for the developer side. So you're now seeing the dev tool menus, and from here you can download the latest bada SDK. And the last week we've released another SDK bada SDK 2.0.1, and you can download it now. And you can please refer the release note here, which is describe all the details that is different from the previous version. And there is an installation FAQ, which is summarize all the questions that we've already frequently get about the installation. And from the library, you can find all the bada documentation, including programming guide and the sample code. So please check this sample code menu. And with this sample code, you can easily start developing bada application. And from this sample code, you can also share your sample code to other developers. And let's see the article part. And we are also providing many developer teams tips or the educational material like video clips or the presentation materials here. So please find everything that you needed. And we've recently uploaded articles about the other platform developers for Android or Symbian. So please check these articles here. And now you're seeing the forums. This is a kind of discussion board for the developers. And we are now supporting 4 languages: English, Korean, Chinese, and Russian. So if we got many requests for supporting the other languages, we are welcome to open the discussion board as you need it. And there was some subcategories in each forum. And as we've already explained to you that the Bada 2.0 has a Bada web application framework, JavaScript framework. So we've just opened this topic. So please find all the information about the web application from here. I've heard from many developers that they got useful information from this discussion board. And finally, the event. This menu shows all the news and news about the Bada related events like Bada Developer Day and Bada Developer Challenge. You can find all the information from here. So please always check this contents here, and don't miss the chance that you can participate in. Okay. So, and I'd like to introduce the second online service. It's called the Premium Support Service. And it is kind of online one-to-one Q&A from Bada technicians. And for now, it is invited only services for Bada partners. For now, it is free of charge, and we support 3 languages for English, Chinese, and Korean. And we also provide a remote test lab. It's very useful services, and many of the developers are using this. And as you can see, with this service, you can test your application on real device over the internet. So you can verify your application if you do not have a real device. So, and we also have a plan to enhance many features for remote test lab. And so please check these features from our Bada website. And this service is open to anyone, and you can use it anytime or from anywhere, and you can make a reservation if you want to use it for a specific time. Okay, I've just talked about the online technical support, and let's now look at the offline technical support. So from the last year, we have over the 43 Bada Developer Day. We are having this kind of Developer Day to meet you, to encourage you to make Bada applications. And is there anyone who was here last year? No one? Yeah. Thank you again. I'm so happy to meet you again. And from the developer day here in Bangalore, we also have many plans to have another bada developer day in other countries. And in addition to this kind of a developer day, we also have participated in many major conferences like MWC, CTIA, and IFA. So we are making some technical sessions for the bada developers or have some experience of bada drones. We also have many local seminars and collaborate with a university in the world and to open lectures for bada. So all of these offline activities can be found in the developer site. So please always check it. So, as you can see that your voice is our real value. So we are here for you to support you and encourage you to develop the application. We will always listen to you and beside you. We'll actively listen to your voice and accommodate your voice. Actually, based on your voice, we can increase the competitiveness of bada platform and improve our bada support program, developer support program. We can interactively communicate with you through the website and the Twitter, the YouTube. And I'd like to conclude this session with some announcement. As I've already told you that we have a bada 2.0 Power App Race contest. This is a global app contest, so please don't miss this good opportunity. And actually, we prepared some small gift for you. And I think after the last session of this event, the Q&A session, we will give you some present for you. That is to encouraging you to develop the bada application. The first one is a USB, and it contains the recent bada SDK 2.0. And we also prepared some device for testing your application. Actually, the bada 2.0 device is not launched yet, so we just prepared a test device only, which is slightly different from the commercial ones. But I think I would like to, I hope that you like this gift and encourage you to get on board for bada 2.0. Okay, thank you.